Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to move on to the second step in creating a course, which is the settings button on the left-hand panel. Um, this basically covers all of the back-end type of course settings that you'll deal with as far as grading, scores, badges, duration. But we'll go ahead and go through these and get started on that. You'll notice the first category is the maximum course duration. So you can set the duration of days that you would like the course to be. If you want this course available all the time, you can simply type in 9,999 over here, and that will be an unlimited number for the course duration. So it will set it to it's always available. The next step is the course evaluation mode. Now this is basically how the courses are graded. So let's select on this area. It says set evaluation mode, manual evaluation. So this is basically whether we have manual grading assignments or it's automatic. So when we add questions within the course, we can either come in and manually grade them. For example, if they're a written assignment, we can go in and add grades to that written assignment. Or if there are multiple choice questions, true false questions, those type of questions, we can go ahead and have those automatically answered. The next category is the pre-required course. This is important if you have a course that is an advanced course that you have to have another prerequisite course before you can take it. For the sake of this course, we'll put none, but if I needed to, I could add a course that they have to take before this one. The third step is the drip feed. Basically this allows students to see the next lesson after a certain amount of days. So if we enabled that, we would set the amount of days before the next lesson would be unlocked for them to view. So if you had a class setting that you wanted to use this on a daily or weekly basis, you could basically control how many days before they could take the next lesson. Set that to disable for now. The next category is the course certificate. You'll notice that you can either disable or enable that. These are nice to have for students who pass courses. You can set the limit for the passing. We can go ahead and set a 75 limit there, but that can be to your discretion. And then where it says set certificate template, you can select from the drop down whatever template is in there. For this example, we'll just go ahead and use the default template that the Biz Launchpad has incorporated. The next section is the course badges. These are basically achievements for students as they do certain activities. We have these enabled for this course, and we can set the minimum amount, the score that they need to get the badge. We can add a badge title. Let's go ahead and add that. And then we can also add a badge image. And this is similar, the media that you upload, you can add there. And that becomes your badge image, and they will earn that once they have completed a set parameter for that. And then that way they can, in their profile settings, they can earn different badges for different achievements within this course. The next section is the number of seats in the course. So you can limit the number of seats that are available for this course. If you want to create a course and set it to 10 students and that's all, then you can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, the same numerical value, the 9,999, will basically be unlimited for that section if you plan on selling that to for a global audience. The next section is set course start date. This defaults to the day that you create this. So if you want it to start in a month from now, when classes start for you, you can go ahead and do that. And then it will not be available until that date. The next section is the number of student retakes. So if I select 0, the student can basically retake that course as many times as they would like. Or I can actually set a number in there so they only get 2 retakes. So it's up to your discretion about how many times a student can actually retake that course. Connect a course group. This is where you can add a new group, or you can connect it to another group where they can have discussions and share different ideas within their groups. And then the next section is the course forum. You can connect this course to the forum, or you can create a new one as well here as well. And then the next section is the course-specific instructions. So this is where you would really inform the student about basically all these settings, and then all the different things that they need to know for the course. Maybe they need certain materials to be prepared for the course. Maybe they need to read certain things. So this is where you can kind of leave notes for the student to actually understand how to use and take the course. And then in here you have the course completion message. Once again, you would just delete the dummy text that's in there, add your own congratulations text, and then you're off. And so the final setting is to actually save the settings, and you'll get a message. Go ahead and save the course, and then it will automatically move you on to the third setting.